What's up guys? On today's episode of Tech on a Budget, we're going to be talking about a microphone that's great for gaming, voiceovers, streaming, and podcasts. Stick around. So today we're going to be talking about the Fifine Condenser USB plug-and-play microphone. This microphone, guys, is a cardioid microphone, compact, and made of good material. Let's get a little deeper into details. What's a cardioid microphone? Well, a cardioid microphone is a microphone that's going to pick up your sound pattern from the front. So as long as you're speaking directly in front of it, it's going to receive your sound great actually. It's going to cancel out the sounds from the sides and the back, giving you a nice clear sound as long as you're in front of the microphone. So this microphone is really easy to use. It's made from like a brushed metal material, very solid quality. Another great feature, on the front of it, it actually has a volume control or a gain control, so that way you can adjust the volume when you're speaking into the microphone. It also does come with this great stand that you can just put right on your desktop, and you can just easily adjust it like this. If you want to put it in front of you or to the side of you, you can even mount it on some type of boom arm. I would definitely suggest mounting it on a boom arm because it's not the greatest at canceling out all sounds. It does a great job at doing most of the sounds, but if you put it on a boom arm with a shock mount, it'll cancel out those loud keyboard sounds and maybe mouse clicks. So another good thing about this microphone is it's plug and play. It comes with this USB plug right here. You just plug it directly into your computer and you can start talking. And it's compact. I mean, this thing is not that big. If you travel a lot and you want to take it with you, you can just fold up the stand and put it right in your bag and you're good to go. So you definitely want to keep this about 3 to 5 inches away from the subject, and that way you'll get the perfect sound quality. So on to the next subject, we're actually going to do a little testing with this microphone. I'm going to show you what the mic actually sounds like when you record from it. So we're going to kind of compare it. I have a shotgun mic literally right above my head right here. We're not going to go from that obviously, but I'm just going to switch to this real fast, and I want you guys to kind of hear the difference between the sounds when I switch. 1 second. Okay guys, now I am actually talking on the Fifine condenser microphone. It's about, I'm going to say right now, it's about 5 to 6 inches away from me, or away from my mouth, and this is the quality that you would get when recording with this microphone. I do have the volume turned to about halfway, not too loud, not too soft, and you know, I'm not going to do any post audio editing. I'm just going to throw this straight into my timeline when I'm done. So the price of this microphone currently on Amazon is only $30. So for $30 you get great sound, you get great build quality, and you get great portability and plug and play. You can't beat that for a budget condenser microphone. So guys, that's it for this episode. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that way when I do upload a video, you get notified, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.